Okay, I'll be plugging this thing in. You can tell it's completely cold. I'm going to plug it into the receptacle on the wall. If I can reach it. Alright. I'll be able to watch this get hot real quick. Heard the click. Yeah, the compressor's actually running now. Nope, just thermaled out. I don't see it. Now it's starting to get hot right there. Trying to show both of these screens at the same time. And you can see how it's heating up. That's at the overload. I've got the bracket off of it, or the cover, so we can see it, and there you can tell. I don't have my glasses on, but it's over. I think it's over 100 degrees. I can't tell. I'll let this cycle again. It was on. It came on for maybe 5 seconds, and then it shut off. There it goes. It just came back on again. And it just popped back out. And that time the compressor did not run. It just hummed. It didn't actually rotate like it did the very first time. Now I hear a fan inside the unit is on. Probably the evaporator fan or the fan inside circulating the air. But nothing underneath here. In fact, I don't even see a condenser fan. Unless that's part of the condenser. But you can see all the blood from the meat that thawed out. I had my glasses, I can't read it. Whatever that red number is, that's the peak temperature. In a second here, it'll come back on again. Looks like it's over 100. Just waiting for it to click back on. Oh, there it goes. Just humming. And it just popped out. I don't know how well you can see that, but the compressor is starting to get hot. It gets overshadowed when I show this, the hot thermal protection, but when I get that off the screen, you can see that the compressor itself is starting to warm up. Alright, well, I don't know what else we need to show. It certainly seems like it's got a locked motor, locked compressor.